But when you turn on your iPhone and you really need it, it's not charged. And when you don't need it, it's fully charged. It's annoying. Yeah, now what? Annoying. Okay, let's get back to the future. Is it just me? I just need... I really just sneeze. I want to do that again. Achoo! It doesn't work. I'm getting angry.